Hi everyone, this is A.T. Patissier from Northeast India, Nagaland, Dimapur. My name is Tokali Yepthomi. I'm a patissier chef and I have a cafe here in Dimapur. I would personally like to thank Amul India for giving us this opportunity to share our authentic cuisine through this platform. Today I will be sharing with you my recipe on how to bake a Naga sticky rice cake. That will be an eggless sticky rice cake. Yeah. As you all know, our sticky rice cake is a very high protein glutinous cake. So our cake is this sticky rice cake is a very very rich cake. Yeah. I hope you guys will enjoy baking along with me. So let me start with this. This is glutinous rice. It is a very high protein. It has a very what do you call it? Very umami smell. Very
umami smell.
Yeah, it has a very strong smell. I mean to say, yeah. And this is the milk, Amul milk.
And the baking powder and
this is just a minute. This is the Amul milk. This is the refined oil that I'll be using. This is the Amul butter. This is the yogurt that I'll be replacing it with egg. Since this is going to be an eggless cake, this is sugar, and this is a half teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of baking soda. So basically the thing is that for sugar, you can cut down on the sugar level because since this cake is a very high, very rich cake, so some people would want to have it lesser sugar. So this is actually I've used 125 grams of sugar in this, and this is 60 grams of butter, 60 ml of refined oil, and this is 100 ml of milk, Amul milk. This is 100 grams of yogurt, and this is 125 grams of glutinous rice.
They want you to introduce yourself again.
Oh, alright. Hi, okay, my name is Tokali. I'm a patissier chef from Dimapur, Nagaland. I have my cafe here in Dimapur. Yeah, and what else do they want to know?
Which rice are you using, please?
This is a glutinous rice. Actually, this is a Naga sticky rice, we call it. A Naga sticky rice has a very strong smell. It's a kind of like that umami smell that we have, which makes the cake very rich and very good to eat. Yeah, this makes it very authentic for our rice cake, sticky rice cake. Yeah. So any questions again before we start baking?
Rice name, please.
We call it sticky rice cake.
Rice name.
Rice name. I think so. We'll call it
sticky rice.
Sticky rice. Yeah. This is just sticky rice that we get in the market. Naga sticky rice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Authentic. That's a Naga authentic sticky rice that we get in the market. Yeah. So if there's any question you can ask, or I'll just get along baking. Then you can see and you can see the process how it goes. Sorry.
Can we use other type of rice?
No, actually, since we're going to focus on our authentic Naga sticky rice cake, we have to use only our Naga sticky rice cake.
Any substitute for other rice?
Any substitute for other rice? You can, you can go for like your own local rice. Yeah, India has a lot of good local rice, so you can use that as a substitute. But for me, I would prefer our Naga sticky rice cake because our Naga sticky rice has a very strong, like I said, it has a very strong smell and it's a very nice taste. Like you can't substitute with any other flour.
So can we use any other thing than rice?
Any other thing than rice? If you use any other thing than rice, then it won't be a sticky rice cake, no?
Yeah.
Since you're having a sticky rice cake, so I would say that if you want to go for like other rice, then you can go for like Thai rice.
Oh, Korean
Yeah,
rice
Korean
as well.
sticky rice or Japanese sticky rice. The thing is that what you have to do is you have to grind it.
Okay.
Yeah, and make it into flour. That's it. Okay, so any more questions so that I can go ahead?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Yeah, okay. So first of all, I'll start with the creamy process. Creamy process starts with you have to add your butter. The butter has to be in room temperature. Yeah, and then you add your sugar. Yeah, and then start creaming it.
Can we use rice flour instead?
Yeah, you can use rice flour, but the thing is that this is a sticky rice cake. So I don't think so it will be like, this will be just
So
like
is
a
it
rice
possible
cake.
to order it online?
Online, yeah, you can. Naga, we have a lot of websites regarding about the authentic rice and all this. So you can obviously go through the online thing, yeah.
So is this rice available in Gurgaon?
This rice, no, I don't think so it will be available on Gurgaon, but you can check it out online, yeah.
She said it wouldn't give same texture and taste.
Yes. So you can just make sure that you have to scoop it out again, scrape everything again, mix it properly. The thing is that it has to be in a light color, like it has to be combined well.
So what do we order it as?
What?
What do we order it as online?
Online, sticky rice cake. Yeah, it's a sticky rice cake. Or sticky rice
Yeah, it's
flour.
available in Amazon, guys. You can check. Yeah.
Now I'm going to pour this refined oil. Just pour it.
Okay, you have okay, Anita Sharma. I also need the recipe of an eggless brownie, please, some other day.
Oh yeah, surely. Yeah, actually, if you want any other like recipe and all for eggless, actually we don't do much eggless because for us, like we Naga, we are mostly of not vegetarian, right? We're
Yeah.
mostly like non-vegetarian, so we prefer having it with egg. But then for eggless, you can like place an what do you call? You can follow us on Instagram at at_t_patissier, and then you can DM us for your inquiries.
Love the pink mixer.
Oh, thank you. It's a kitchenette.
What did you call the rice?
We call it as sticky rice. Like we call it as glutinous rice here, no? Like in Nagamese, what do you call it as?
I don't know, just sticky rice.
So that's it. Okay. Yeah, so this is done. Now you have to add your yogurt. Since we're not using egg and this is an eggless cake, so I'm going to use this yogurt. Yeah, this is like 125 grams of yogurt. Basically, if you want to use egg, then it will be around 2 large egg at room temperature. So you have to mix it. I'll just pour and then heat it over.
A question from Arjit Roy.
Yeah.
Where do you have your patisserie in Dimapur?
We have it at Charmile Central Jail.
Junction?
Yeah, Junction, yes. Please go on.
Okay. What's your name
It's 80 Patissier Boutique and Cafe.
and your name?
Oh, my name is Tokali Yapumi. Yeah. This is what you want, okay? This is the right combination. Now from here, I'll take out my paddle, mixing paddle.
Yeah. Dolagos.
Yeah. You can focus here. This is what you want.
Dolagos said, hi, Didi.
Hi, Dolagos.
Gosh.
Gosh. Now you can add your dry ingredients. This is the baking powder and this is the baking soda.
So if I don't have this beater, can I use normal blender or use hand beater?
Yeah, obviously you can use your hand blender. Those the one that you get all this Prestige, they have it. They have a good blender.
And your Facebook account?
It's 80 Patissier. So you just have to mix it till it's well combined. You can see. Oh my god, the smell is so good.
And the color?
Yeah, it has a very rich smell. So I wouldn't want you to substitute any flour with this. Now you can add your milk, Amul milk. Just make sure that you don't have to over mix it. You know, just mix it till it's well combined.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
No, we don't have it as of now. I don't have it, but maybe later on future.
Okay.
Okay, so any more questions?
No.
Okay, this is well combined. Everything's combined properly. Now I'll put it in my baking mold.
Is that whole rice grain or rice powder?
Sorry?
Is that whole rice grain or rice powder? It's a rice powder.
It's a rice powder. You purchase the rice in the market and then you have to grind it into powder.
How much milk?
100 grams of 100 ml of milk. But it's up to you. You can reduce your milk.
So we have a question from Vika Aye.
Okay.
Afo, are you Angus Chateau's daughter?
Yes, I am.
Your name?
Tukali Tomi. Okay, so this is done. I've already preheated my oven.
So do you have to oil the baking container?
Yes. You obviously. So sorry, I didn't tell you that. You have to oil the baking container, and then now this is done. I've already preheated my oven to 150 degrees Celsius. You can preheat your oven there.
And what are the ingredients? Can you repeat it again?
Wait, let me put it in the oven first, and then we'll talk about the ingredients. Okay. All right. So you have to bake this cake, this batter for around 30 to 35 minutes, but it depends on your oven temperature. So I would say, like, if you have a Prestige oven that I'm using right now, then you can bake it for like 35 minutes.
Pallavi said you look beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Anyways, yeah,
Can you repeat the recipe again?
Achha, okay, surely. Alright, I've used 125 grams of the glutinous rice, our Naga sticky glutinous rice, and half teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of baking soda, and I've used 125 ml of milk, 60 grams of butter, 60 grams of 60 ml of refined oil, 125 of sugar. But the thing is that sugar, I would always prefer, like, some people they like it with lesser sugar, so you can cut down the sugar ratio. It's according to you. And for non-eggless cake, it's like you can replace the egg with yogurt, 125 grams of yogurt, which will be around like two large egg in room temperature. It has to be in room temperature.
And preheating how many minutes?
What?
Preheating the oven.
Preheating in my oven for say, like I said, it depends on your oven. Maybe it will take like 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 to 2 minutes. Depends on your oven. Yeah, oven temperature. So and then and since we can't wait for the cake to get it done, like now, so I've already prepared.
Okay, you have a question. Wouldn't there be any spices or dry fruits?
No, it's up to you. If you want to add nuts also, like like walnuts or almonds or like cashew or anything, any nuts you can add that also. And then I would prefer some dry blueberries also in that. That would be nice.
And brown sugar can also be used?
Yeah, brown sugar also can be used, yes. Brown sugar, you can use brown sugar as well.
Yeah, a question from Gauri Joshi Belwal. I love the backdrop, so royal.
Oh, thank you so much.
Arijita Bose Gosh, that's a lovely kitchen you have.
Thank you so much, yeah. Anything else regarding about baking again?
So measurement should be in a cup or a gram or ml?
It's up to you if you want to use cup, but I've done it through ml, like because since I use scale instead of the measuring cups and all, so I do it with measuring with scale. Yeah, so you can. It's up to you.
So will you post the recipe?
If you want, yes, we can. Like I said, you can follow us on Instagram at a.t_patissiere or on Facebook at_patissiere. Yeah, and then you can DM us about your baking, anything related to baking. Yeah, we will help you out with that. Anything more?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, so since we can't wait for our final product, I've already baked this cake this morning, so I can show you like how the final products look like. Yeah, so you can have. This is the cake. It should look like this. It is very soft, very moist, and it's very rich. So let me cut it and show it to you. This is how it should look like. Oh, I want it to be a little fancy, so I'm going to just drizzle it with some caramel. Yeah, I'm kind of being very generous with the.
So yeah, you have question like from Udit Singh.
All right.
Do you personally
Tell me.
do you personally like Amul butter or Amul ice cream more?
Since I'm a patissier chef, I think I will go for butter.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna top it with blueberries. Since you can use any berries.
Kuhu patak say, oh, it's a chocolate cake, super twist. It's not a chocolate cake.
It's not a chocolate cake.
But it looks like a chocolate cake.
It looks like a chocolate cake. The color looks like a chocolate cake, yeah. So that's it. You can add more berries to it. Up to you.
You are so cute, Chef.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Anup Sharma says, so focused and confident, seems to be an experienced, perfect hands, very neat and good ambience, Chef Tokali.
Thank you so much. I've been in this field for I would say since 2013, so should be like 8 years by now. Yeah.
Kavali H. Jakalu said, wow, so yum.
Thank you so much. Okay, so this is the final product. You can focus it.
Yeah. Okay, please post the cup measurements. I don't have the measuring scale.
Alright,
cup.
For cup, yeah, if I will post it on Facebook if you want the recipe, the full recipe on Facebook. So you can follow us on Facebook, yeah.
Okay, Indrajit R said, adding a scoop of ice cream.
Oh yeah, you can add an scoop. The thing is, it's all up to you. See, like I said, I'm making an eggless cake, so I was thinking to use a pastry cream on top of this cake, like it'll be more rich again. But then since pastry cream consists of egg, so I didn't make pastry cream this time, but you can use pastry cream or you can use ice cream, you know, scoop of ice cream and everything. Then yeah, you can make it more rich, more fancy for you, however you want to eat. We Naga, we love to eat with this with tea.
Okay.
So basically this is like a tea cake for us. Yeah.
Rajiv Sharma said the experience and training is visible through the cake.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so
Is there any more questions?
yeah, Vatsala Shah said, Chef, please repeat the quantities.
Quantities
Yeah.
of the ingredients?
I think so, yeah.
I've already repeated, but if you want more of this recipe, then I can put it up on my Facebook account. So actually I've used 125 grams of glutinous rice, that's a Naga glutinous sticky rice, and I've used a half tablespoon of baking powder, pinch of baking soda, and I've used yogurt. Since this is an eggless cake, so I've used yogurt, 125 grams of yogurt, and I've used 60 grams of butter, 60 ml of refined oil. I like to, you know, I like to have it like 50% of fats, like oil and butter. That way I feel like the cake is more moist. And 125 grams of sugar. Sugar, you can reduce the sugar level because some people, they prefer less sugar, so it's up to you. And what else did I use? Yeah, that's all.
Okay, so Sonia does, hope Chef Tokali does more Amul live recipe demonstration.
Okay.
Okay, Udit Singh, looks amazing, wish you could deliver to Assam.
You're most welcome to come here. Come and visit my cafe, Udit.
Yeah, the final product looks awesome.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, recipe looks nice.
Alright.
Rinku Singha, thank you so much for your recipe.
Most welcome. Yeah.
Okay.
Any more questions? This is a very simple and easy cake to
Yeah,
make.
Sudeshna Banerjee feels like reaching out and taking it. Okay.
You can surely visit Nagaland next time if you want to come and experience our cuisine.
Anup Sharma, thank you Amul, thank you Chef Tokali ma'am.
Most welcome.
And Pallavi Rathi, great thanks. Your kitchen is so amazing. We love to get a kitchen too. The camera woman sounds too good. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next time. Actually, we are running out of time, I guess. Right.
So Supriya Kapoor, please do share the recipe on Facebook.
Yes, surely we'll do so.
Yeah.
Please do follow us on Instagram and on Facebook as well.
Instagram a.t.
Yeah, Instagram is a.t_patissier and Facebook is at_patissier.
Okay.
So I thank you so much everyone for coming. I hope you all enjoyed this live show, and yeah, and once again thank you Amul. Yeah, for this opportunity. I hope everyone will enjoy baking this cake. Stay safe, stay happy, and happy baking.
Okay, Anup Sharma, after COVID, we'll be drawn to travel Nagaland.
Oh wow, please do so, and please come and visit our cafe.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, okay, last.
Yeah.
Simanto Sinha, I hope you'll come out with some more delicious recipe like this. Thank you.
Yeah, surely we'll do so. Yeah, if given an opportunity, I would love to do that. All right then, thank you so much then. Bye bye. Stay safe.